If you also receive this error when you're trying to create a Minecraft server, I have an easy fix for you. So as you can see, when I open the server.jar, I receive an error which is called a Java exception has occurred. And the good news, that's an easy fix. What you have to do is open an internet browser and you'll have to go to java.com, and from here you'll have to download a different version of Java, not the one you have, but a developer one. You have to go to developer downloads, let's press on it and try to find the latest JDK from here. In my case, JDK 25. Let's press on it, and after that select your operating system. In my case I have a Windows machine, so I will select Windows and I will download the x64 installer and press on the link, and the installer has started to download. I will open my download folder, and all you have to do now, double click on it. I will have to select yes, that's why I had the black screen right here. Select next. You can change the default installation folder if you'd like, but for me it's okay to be installed in the C drive, and the installation will be pretty quick. Now as you have the JDK installed, the latest, let's close it for now. I will select close, and also let's close this folder because we don't need it anymore, and let's try now to open the server.jar folder, and as you can see now it's working and the server has been generated.